Hi, my name is Scott Santos, and I'm from Advantage Driving School. We often get a lot of people calling, and they're just not sure what the actual process is for their kids to get their behind the wheel training done. May you call it behind the wheel training, their 6 hour package, their permit service, whatever you may call that. People often are a little confused about it. The schools just don't give them a lot of information. We're going to do a short series of videos here explaining this from step A to step B all the way through the process so that you've got a better understanding of what you're looking out for when your child is ready for their behind the wheel training. The first step in this process is actually the written test. Most kids will have taken this test in school. If they have not, don't worry about it. It's something we can help them take as well. If they have taken that written test in school and have passed it, hopefully, they'll have either a blue scorecard or a white scorecard. It's about that large. That is the first thing you're going to need to actually take their behind the wheel lessons. From there, what we call a permit service is the next step. Believe it or not, you do actually get a permit before the lessons. Now, it's not a permit they can drive with you with. It's only a permit to drive with us for at this moment. The state wants them to be documented before they can even get behind the wheel of our car to practice. We usually do this permit service meeting at one of the local motor vehicle agencies. We've found it's best to do it this way because the documents that you have to bring out for them, they're always in your hand. You never release them to us. There's no fear of them getting lost in the process. Also, there's two documents you have to sign off on. So you have to come out at one point anyway. We might as well meet there, get this all taken care of. The two documents you have to sign off on at this moment are our contract and also what they call a permit application for the state. It's a little green card. The other items that the student is going to need to have is going to be, again, that scorecard from school that they passed the written exam, or they could take it at this point, either an original birth certificate or a passport for identification. They'll have to take a vision exam, so if they wear glasses or contacts, they'll need those. And they're also going to need their social security number. At this moment, you don't need the card, just the number. And once we've accomplished that, the state has seen their documentations for identification. They've seen that they've passed a written exam. They passed a vision exam. They'll issue us this conditional permit so we can do the behind the wheel hours with your student. The state minimum is a 6 hour package. We do that in 3 2 hour lessons. We do offer a 10 or 12 hour package if you want them to have more lessons with a professional, but 6 is the minimum. Again, now that we've accomplished this, we're ready to move on to the process of the behind the wheel training. If you have any questions about this, about any step of the process or the permit service that we've gone over here, please feel free to give us a call at 856-829-2880. Stay tuned for our next video.